How to use your LG SoundBar with your TV. There are multiple ways to connect your LG SoundBar with your TV. Wirelessly through Bluetooth, or using external connectors like HDMI ARC or optical outputs. Let's look at how to wirelessly connect your soundbar first. From the All setting menu, navigate to Sound Out. Then simply select the device list and Bluetooth option. Follow the steps and your TV and LG SoundBar will be connected via Bluetooth. You can also connect your soundbar using external connectors. Simply connect your designated external connector to your soundbar and TV. From the All Settings menu, select Sound Out. Navigate and select your appropriate external connector, and you will be automatically connected. Your TV and LG SoundBar will be connected to play your audio and sound. Use our SoundBar mobile app for more control over features and sound effects.